Hello and welcome to the RightNet channel, where we share tech tips and insights from a technician's perspective. Today, I'm going to show you how to check the engine oil level on the Triumph Rocket 3 GT. With a 2500cc engine, the Rocket 3 GT uses a dry sump lubrication system. It's the largest engine in a production motorcycle worldwide. So the method for checking the engine oil level is completely different from other bikes. First of all, please remember that an accurate indication of oil level only shown when the engine is cold and the motorcycle is on the side stand. Once those two conditions are met, start the engine and let it idle for 60 to 90 seconds. Please make sure not to touch the throttle while the engine is idling. This will give an inaccurate oil level on the engine oil dipstick. Stop the engine, then wait at least 3 minutes to allow oil to settle. Turn the oil filler cap anti-clockwise and remove it. Remove oil dipstick, clean by cloth and refit it fully in filler tube. An accurate level of oil is between min and max mark on the dipstick. If the level is below the min mark, please top up recommended engine oil a little at a time up to max mark. That's the correct way to check the engine oil level on the Rocket 3 GT. I hope you found it helpful, and if you have any question, please leave a comment below. I really appreciate it. Thanks, and I'll see you in the next video.